Hey guys, welcome back to the video. My name is Eb, and this little mini series we're going to be making a clone of our Windows Notepad, our favorite program in probably the whole operating system. So here is Notepad. We're going to be trying to imitate this today. I've already made one of the episodes already, so I'll leave that in the description, as well as the code for this video and how to get Visual Basic 2010 Express and any tools that we're going to need in this video. So today we're just going to touch up on some things that we did not touch up on last episode, and we're also going to get the format working. So we're going to do that today. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to add keyboard shortcuts to these. So here for exit, I'm pretty sure. So here you just go to the shortcut property in the menu, and you're just going to search. There it is, Alt F4. So you won't see it now, but if we run the program right now, file, and there you can see Alt F4. So if we hit Alt F4, we didn't have anything there, but if we typed in some stuff and then hit Alt F4, as you can see, it'll prompt us. So click yes. That was a bit of a glitch last episode where you have to click yes 2 times to close the program. I'm not sure how to fix that yet. So here we're going to go to New. I'm going to find Control N. So I'm just going to go ahead and do all of these. I'm just going to time lapse this part because it's kind of boring. So I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Okay, so now that we've done all of that, as you can see when I open the program, all of these have keyboard shortcuts beside them. So let's say none of these are working at the moment, but we will make a couple of them working in this video, and we're going to just do this for the start of each video. And as you can see, most of these have keyboard shortcuts. As you saw at the end of the time lapse there, I opened Notepad just to check if any of these in the format and view options have keyboard shortcuts, and they don't, which is actually a kind of cool fun fact. So now that we've got all of that done, we're gonna go and we're gonna do the new, and here in new we're gonna copy again the same code that we used in the last video, but this time we're gonna do, are you sure you want to make a new document? There we go. So this time when we hit yes, it's going to, instead of that, we're going to do rich text box 1 dot clear. There we go. Okay guys, so, and after we've typed rich text box 1 dot clear, we're just going to type return in the else part of the statement, like that. So we will try that. We do new. So as you saw there, when I hit new, the actual program closed, which means we forgot that we have me.close here. So we're going to remove. So we're going to do rich text box 1.clear. Alright, so we're going to run the program. Okay, so now if we click on new, it should just make a new document. Now if we type all of our very important stuff, file new, it's going to ask us if we want to make a new document. If we no, we won't clear it. We do new, and we hit yes, it will clear our document, and that is perfect. So now that we've got that, we're going to close that. And for the other one, which is new window, this is pretty easy. Okay, so what we're actually going to want to do is we're going to do process dot start, and here we're going to do application dot, oh, not app domain, application dot executable path. So if you see here, when you hover over application dot executable path, it says gets the path for the executable file that started the application, including the executable name. So that's what basically is our exe file. So we're going to select that, and that is basically it. So that will just start another one of the processes. So if we try that, new window, there you go. We have 2 of them. New window, 3 of them. New window. 4. There you go. I don't know why. Oh, that one's in debug mode, and the other ones are running natively. That's why they're separated. We're also gonna change that icon because it kind of looks ugly. So if we go back to our form, we're gonna select icon, and the way you're gonna get the Notepad.icon, as you can see, I already have it here. Okay, so to get the Notepad icon, we're gonna go into Google, and we're gonna search. Oh, I'll open 2 of them. Notepad icon, and we're just going to images, and you can download whichever one you want. We're just going to download the original one here, and this one's actually very perfect. And this one's actually very perfect since it's 256 by 256. It's the perfect size for an icon. So we're just going to right click that one, save image as, and we're going to go to desktop. We're just going to name this notepad.png. There we go. And I'm going to go to png to ico on the internet. You can just Google search this. I'll leave this website again in the description. So that's the first one here. And we're going to click on choose icon layers. We're just going to check all the boxes and just click on the little cloud, and that should open our open file dialog, and we're just going to select our icon, so the notepad one, and there it is. We're just going to download it and just close the ad, and there it is. So we're going to go and select the icon, and we're just going to select the one that we just downloaded, which is this one today, and there you go. Okay, so now to change the icon, you're just going to go to Notepad or whatever your name, Notepad for YT, I named it in the last episode, properties, like that, and it's going to load the properties, and here you're going to want to change the default icon to browse, and then find your icon, so we're going to downloads, and Notepad, and there you go. So now if we run it, you'll see in our taskbar it will look exactly like the other one, hopefully. There you go. That one's our one is a bit smaller, but it's still perfectly usable. So, now that we've got that done, that is pretty much, well, oh, we're gonna add a couple more commands here. We're going to, okay, so you're gonna double click on copy, and then you're gonna type rich text box 1.copy, and that will be the code for the copy. So we're gonna open the cut action or event right here, and we're gonna do rich text box 1.cut. Boom, 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 just like that. And here in the paste, rich text box 1.paste. There we go. And here for the delete. Okay, so the line of code that you want to do here is rich text box 1.selected text equals, and then you want to just put empty. So now if we try that, and we'll just type in a little code, not code, make it a bit longer on each line. So you can see in action. There we go. We select this, delete, yeah, just removes it. So just in case that was the actual Windows doing that, I'm just going to edit, delete, yeah, there you go. So yes, we want to close the program. And here for select all, we'll just do this one, rich text box 1.select all. There you go. So that will be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to download Visual Basic, I'll leave the link in the description. I'll leave the link in the description for the converter website, which is the one that we used here. And I'm also going to leave in the description the last episode, which we started on this code right here, and how we got the actual box itself. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.